Oh my god. Sorry. Wow, that was really loud. I don't know where my pizza is though. I have a water bottle. Oh wait. I'm trying to say nerf this before I burp, but it's really hard. Oh my god, I can't stop burping. Woo! Now donate. I'm working on a burp right now. Maybe I'll grab some pizza. Wait. There we go. That wasn't very good though. There we go. Could ever matter to me in life. Oh, that was a good one.
Is that a burp?
Yes, it was.
I play to win.
All I heard was broken microphone.